Good afternoon. You remember in the last class we did sine, but today we'll be doing cosine. And you remember that in the last class I said that even though both cosine and sine are used to look for angles and sides for triangles that are not having a right angle, that means triangles that we cannot apply Pythagoras theorem to and SOHCAHTOA to. For this now, you also remember I made mention that we can only use sine when we have good afternoon. You remember in the last class we did sine, but today we'll be doing cosine. And you remember that in the last class I said that even though both cosine and sine are used to look for angles and sides for triangles that are not having a right angle, that means triangles that we cannot apply Pythagoras theorem to and SOHCAHTOA to. For this now, you also remember I made mention that we can only use sine when we have which is 30 degree in this case and its corresponding side which is 2 centimeter. Then we can use it to look for a side which we do not have it angle. Yeah, we have the side but we don't have the angle, so we can use sine in this case. We must have an angle and its corresponding side. If you don't have it like that, we cannot use sine. Such as if I have a case like this. In this case now, it's obvious that I cannot use sine because I do not have a side and its corresponding angle. Though I have this angle, I don't have its corresponding side. I have this angle, I have this side, I don't have its corresponding angle. So which rule will I use? Cosine. And what does the cosine rule say? It says that a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos this a. But this one will be in capital letter. Or b square equals to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. Or c square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. The capital C are the angles. The capital letters are the angle, while the small letters are the side. So to look for this side C, which is this, I will use this formula. So how do I do it? I will say that I will use this formula like this. So solution. I will write out my parameters first. A equals to, what's my A? 2 centimeter. B 3 centimeter. Then my angle C is equals to 60 degrees. So I'll just impute it into this. So C square equals to A square. A square, what's my A? That I already know it's 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 times 3, then cos C, which is cos 60 degrees. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, minus 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12. Please be very wary of this minus. In fact, put a bracket, a parenthesis in front like this. Cos 60 is 0.5. So equals to c square. So c square equals to 4 plus 9, 13, minus 12 times 0.5, that's 0.5. That's 6. So 13 minus 6 is 7. C square equals to 7. To look for C now, I'll just put square root on it. Square root of C square equals to square root of 7. Here this will cancel this. So 6 is equals to square root of 6 centimeter. And that's my answer.